This young bald eagle's been struggling to find food. Most eagles don't make it through their first winter. But here, because the river doesn't freeze, he can access dead fish from the salmon run to boost his chances of survival. Only problem is, he's got company. Well, that's intimidating. Almost 4,000 bald eagles come to feed here every winter. With a wingspan of 8 feet, the females are the largest and the most aggressive. That head tilt tells them, you don't want any problems. Back off. The fish is mine. He's hungry, but he's also afraid of getting hurt. From the sidelines, he can see that round here, you have to fight to survive. He could hold back, stay safe, and face starvation. But he decides to risk it all. Through sheer determination, he's fought off the elders and staked his claim. These vital calories will help him through the hard months ahead.